Hello, you see what you're missing in town? Hey!
If this is your first time, my name is Nico and this is called Joan Obadiah. She's also a YouTuber. You can check her out. I'm going to drop her link in the description box, also on the screen. As you're watching, you see the channel name. So we're going to make a African village lunch. So this is Joan's village and I'm always invited here. So we're going to almost cook 4 different types of foods in one saucepan. Which are those foods?
Matoke, sweet potato, pumpkin, maize, and eggplants, the small ones.
Yeah, they are called small bitter eggplants. What sauce are we having?
I think groundnuts.
Groundnuts. Ooh, I can't wait for the end. So let's get into the video.
This stem here is going to be like acts as our base because we're going to steam the food. So that way water can't enter in the food and spoils it. So because the matoke and everything that we mentioned before are going to be on top of this, so I'm going to give it to my colleague. That's the best for me. We are preparing our lunch, though we are a little bit late, somehow late, and I'm inviting you all to eat.
So the person who's supposed to be doing this is looking after the baby, so I have to come in and get this done.
Yeah. Help me with the pumpkin. And do that one. Hello, you see what you're missing in town? Hey! I told you guys, I think, was it on my channel or in Eating the African Way channel, that I will never grow old. Why?
No one wants to grow old.
I'm not going to grow old because here in village, why I'm not going to grow old? I eat pumpkins fresh from my garden. If you want, you can leave this. So when it boils, you remove the seeds and eat it. And even this one, this thing, let me try it. I don't want to remove it.
Which shapes are those now?
I don't want to remove it because I will eat it and I will show you.
Let me try it.
Our next part, guys, that we are going to cover. We are going to cover our things. But first, I want us first to wash the sweet potato. We are going to wash from this saucepan. But guys, normally the sweet potato, they are always big, but we've gotten the small ones. I don't know. It's Nicholas, I think.
We are in dry season.
It's Nicholas.
And they don't grow bigger.
But guys, look at what the little sweet potato these guys have brought. So right now it's just doing this banana leaf so that everything of ours fits inside. Yeah, that's how we will survive it. After our pumpkin, let us put our maize. We are going to put these small bitter eggplants in the small banana leaf. Guys, we are still copying grandma. We are not perfect. But I know one day we shall be perfect because they also started like this. And then we put here also our bitter small eggplants. And we continue covering it.
Now, ladies from my tribe will find this so easy to be done. I hope you are also seeing these people have the same kind of cooking. So at the end, nothing is going to be different. Maybe the language and also just those different things like staple foods. The style of living. As you have been watching and we have been listening to the explanations you make. When you cook food, let me say today, if you cook matoke, and the banana leaves you use, you don't throw them away. You don't throw them all away. You keep some that you remain using. So this has been used, I think, for almost 2 days or 1 day. As you can see, it is already cooked.
We are going to put water, and then I make the fire. As I'm putting, I will rush the things to where our cows eat from.
You're going to feed them to the cows?
Yes.
And also the goats?
Goats, they've already gone. So that thing, most importantly, it is meant for cows. I think you take them and they see it. Where cows eat from.
We'll show that.
Oh, lovely. Ooh. Jesus. So right now we are going to mash. First we are removing our little bitter eggplant, then our maize, then we remove our, wow, I can't wait to bite those pumpkin. We eat African way. Wow, we are going to eat the pumpkin. You people, you're missing. You can also see that our matoke is steamed very well, you see. So we are now going to mash in the banana leaves. We are going to mash in the banana leaf. Also, this other top banana leaf is going to help us mash the banana very well, like that African way. Hey! I can't wait to eat. Oh. So we are mashing our matoke the African way.
You have been watching matoke videos, almost like 3 videos, and the differences, you see how they mash theirs. Ours is totally different. Hope you were seeing that clip which is showing the difference between western side and then central side. So that is the difference we have when it comes to mashing the matoke.
So right now, after smashing, we again cover and put it back.
How long is it going to be on the fire?
On the fire, as long as you want. As long as you want. But for us, it will be like 10 minutes, then we eat. Me, I want it for matoke and the rest I don't want it. Maize rice.
Where is it? ayagala kupozinga. In this video, I wanted to share with you which kind of food we prepare for lunch in our villages and how they serve it, how they sit. They're supposed to, everyone's supposed to sit here, but there are those with camera phobia. They fear to be in front of the camera. That's why they will be behind the camera watching us. So it's time for food. That's why you see even these visitors are coming. All the birds are coming to enjoy the food. So today I'm not going to eat matoke. I'm going to enjoy pumpkin and then sweet potatoes and some of these small bitter eggplants. Bonga. Nja kulya enkoko. Nja kukwata nkulye. When it comes to village lunch, this is what we mean. I've been eating and I can't get enough.
Hey, you guys, subscribe to Joan Obadiah. I love you. Peace.
Alright, catch up in the next video. Bye bye.